Alright, so I'm back here with some very cute little Dottie dogs. Hi, Dottie dog. Oh, you got all your babies in. That's good. Because... oh, we had quite the scare. She was loose. Now she has to be tied inside the pen because she actually had the babies. One baby was on the east side at a neighbor's house following her, chasing rabbits. And the other little baby, right here, the little chocolate guy, was 2 farms over in a soybean field. Oh, it was a miracle that Brian actually located that puppy. Oh my goodness, so scary. So scary. Just unbelievably scary. So now, little Dottie dogs. Woo!
Clean your puppies off.
Good, I'm gonna go in. They're distracted with food. I can't even believe that they followed Mummy that far. That was really scary. Brian just took me for a tour to see where he found the puppy a couple days ago. I was like, wow, I can't even believe it. Look at their little tails. How cute is that? Just so adorable. They love their raw and their kibble. So all these little guys are assigned to their new homes, which is great. They're going to be little adventurers, though. Especially the 2 little chocolate ones. Those were the 2 that were following Mummy. Oh, I think, no, one was a Bluetick. That's right. Brian said the one on the east side was a Bluetick over at the neighbors, and then the little chocolate boy here with a solid back. He was the one that was following Mummy in the soybeans. Oh, so scary. Coyotes everywhere, and he's out there squealing. And of course, when Brian gets close, he goes completely silent because he thought something was going to get him. Oh man, I don't know. That's absolutely a miracle that he found that puppy. Yeah, you got quite the little belly on you. Hi, cuties. There's Kaylee's little tricolor boy. Oh, listen to them burping and carrying on. He's one of the little Bluetick boys. He's Bluetick boy 1 or 2. I forget now. I forget which one you are. I'm going to have to check that. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, and you're so cute. I think this is number 2. I think you're number 1. But then I might have a mix-up. Maybe. Maybe, baby. But I don't think so. I think you had the very symmetrical marking on the face. Number 1. Silly babies. And then baby... Oh, this is baby tricolor baby. Hi, lovey. Oh, man, they're little chunkers. Then we have the little lemon. Whoop, 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 whoop. Just a sec, Mommy, you're getting me tangled. You're going to have a Mummy down. Little lemon pup. Get a picture of her for her new family. Hi, baby. Hi, lovey baby. You're so cute, lovey baby. I would have expected you were the adventurer. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's on the other side of the fence. Little stink pot. It's gone over there to go poop, probably. Oh my goodness, those little stinkers. I have to block that hole. Mummy dug that one. Little bouncy baby. What you doing, bouncy baby? Hi, little bouncy chocolate girl. Hi, you're so cute. And there's a little lemony girl. 2 little girly girls. Hi, baby girly girls. Hi. Where'd that other baby get to? Hey, where did that baby get to? This very silly baby's gone over there. Oh no, there goes my chocolate boy. He's going under the fence. Okay, I'm gonna have to round them up. This isn't good. Ah, stinkers. Oh my. You get 2 out together, it's bad. Got lots of shade here. He's playing. So silly.
There they go.
Yeah, so I've got 2 out already, Brian. I have to block that.
Did you open this place?
Yep. Look at him
Coyote.
coming back through.
I know, they can come right back.
Little stinkers. You are such a bad little dog.
It's potty training. I'm being trained to poop outside. Look at that.
They're being so silly.
Oh, I guess they weren't that hungry. Look at all the food I give them.
Oh, there's your little adventurous guy right there. He's trying to get back in.
Soya bean.
Hey,
There's soya bean.
I have to call you soya bean. Oh, he says, I'd like a drink of water, please. You gotta come back under the fence, silly.
He says, what are they drinking? Goodness gracious. Look at these going.
They just walk right under. Oh, man. Come on, soybean.
Oh, look how beat down it is over in there from them. Look at it.
I know, eh? They've
You
got...
see that?
Yes.
Look, they got it all dug up. I mean, that's just from the puppies. They've been over
got
there
a
a
little...
lot. They're spending most of their day over there.
Yeah,
But that's good, you know.
They got a little...
Keeps them away from her.
Fort.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta come around here.
Any old fort in the storm.
Come on, mister.
Any old fort in the storm. Hey, puppy.
Come on. What you doing? Your dad wants to see you.
Hey, soybean.
Say hi to Dylan.
Soybean.
Don't panic. They're fine. Come on, soybean. They've got their little tree fort going on here. Silly babies. They're getting me all worried. I'll have to put a fence around it. There's soybean right there. Soybean, stay with your mommy. Silly baby. Do I have to bark at you? Okay, go back home.